We are still in this very move to the downside, and obviously this market should move gradually downward as I talked about in all my previous videos. And on the 4-hour chart, we are seeing consolidation, expectation not cut short, and on ETH chart right here, market is going to come down as well. On other, if you look at other 4-hour charts, you see the market have gone back to the downside significantly, and also on Matic. All of this and more into this analysis. If you are new to this channel, please like the video, help subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. Leave a like, and don't forget to share this video on the 1-day chart BTC USDT right here. I told you that the market is going to move sluggishly downward, and that is what we have to pay attention to right now, because the market is going to move gradually, and a possible creation of new low is what I am expecting. Market should create a new low, lower than the previous low at this very point. So what that means is the market is going to go down, and afterward we're going to see the market begin to retrace back up before continuation. This is going to take a couple of time or a couple of days before this movement to the upside move, a retracement before continuation will happen. So all you need to do right now on the immediate short term is to pay attention to the market moving sluggishly downward from this area, possibly a creation of a new low lower than this very low right at this very support is what I am expecting on the chart. And if you look at the MACD, we are now beginning to see a kind of stable momentum at this very area on the MACD histogram. What it means is that the bears are losing momentum to push the market back down, and more reason why I said we are going to see a decline in bearish momentum to the downside in this very move downward. So expect a sluggish movement and then retracement before continuation. I'm also going to update you on when this very retracement is in play. On the 4-hour chart BTC USDT, see the market moved down, and all of this area consolidation, that means from this very area up to this very point we see consolidation in the market. Market have not broken out of this very level of support. So what you should expect right now is a breakout, because the market have a high chance of breaking down. That means a breakout at this very point with a significant bearish candle that close below every other close around this very zone of support is going to make the market to move to the downside. This movement to the downside will never be aggressive. Don't expect this kind of aggressive movement at this very point. After the breakout, market will move down and then retracement back into this very zone again. So this is what I am paying attention to right now, and market also have the capacity of breaking on this very level of resistance. But what I am expecting is for the market to break out on the support and then move a little bit downward before that very retracement. I am very confident that that retracement is going to come into the market. Nevertheless, consolidation in the market is a type of market pause, and before that, market continuation and then retrace before continuation again. That means after this very continuation, market will retrace and then continue back down again. So this is what you need to also look at on the 4-hour chart, a breakout on this level of support. 1-day chart ETH market is going to also gradually come back to the downside. What you need to understand is that market is already in a downtrend on ETH, and I show you that in my immediate last video where I said if this is a high and we have this as a lower high and we have this one right here as a lower low, then that means this very area is a lower low. What that implies is that the market is only going to retrace a little bit, form a new lower high before continuation back down again. And that is why I said that you should look for a sluggish movement to the downside on the 1-day chart ETH, and that is what we are seeing right now on the chart. So expect this market to move sluggishly downward from this very area, market should go down sluggishly and then retracement before, continuation of this very move to the downside. This is what you need to pay attention to on ETH 1-day chart. And on the 4-hour chart, you see the market consolidation, and we are about seeing a breakout of this very support zone after this consolidation on the chart. So the market consolidates all the way from this very point to this area. So a breakout is what we are seeing right now. So significant breakout on the chart would mean that the market is going to move downward, and this is very, very important, guys. If this candle close bullish, that is inside of this very box, then the market is still going to revolve around this area of consolidation. But if we see the market break out with significant candle and close bearish, then that means the market is going to move downward a little bit and then retracement into this very box again before the next continuation. One thing that is also very important is that don't expect the market to go down drastically, as we see right here in this market moving to the downside. That means the market is going to come down a little bit gradually before that very retracement. So if you are trading this very breakout, you need to be very, very careful, because the market is not going to move aggressively downward. This is what you need to take into consideration on the ETH 4-hour chart. And on ADA, you look at ADA here, I told you of a level to pay attention to on ADA, and I talk about this very level of support right here and this very level of resistance right at this very area. I talk about this zone and that the market is going to retrace into this zone before continuation to the downside. Market did not really enter into that very zone. We only see a touch of this very resistance right here, which was resistance at this area, which was also support at this very point, and the market begin to move to the downside. What you need to pay attention to right now is that the market have moved significantly downward, and it is not the right time to short the market anymore. The right time to short the market was after the formation of this very bearish candle right here. So if you did not short right now, it's not the time to short anymore. Wait for the market to retrace again before continuation. So right now, expect the market to move back to the upside on ADA from this area where the market is right now, and this point of 0.248 from this area. Expect the market to retrace back again before continuation. This is what you need to pay attention to on ADA. Don't just take trades. Like I said, don't short where the market is right now, because market has moved down significantly, and we have to see the market begin to retrace around this very region to the upside before continuation downward. And on Matic, the same thing on Matic. Market has moved down. Don't expect further sell in the market, rather expect the market to retrace before continuation, because after retracement like this, we will see continuation. Because after market continuation like this, we will see retracement and then continuation back down again. So right here, expect the market to retrace, and from this area of 0.51 to where the market is right now is where you need to pay attention to for next correction or retracement before continuation to the downside. So don't short here, rather wait for the market to come into this zone of resistance right at this very area before you can then short from here to the downside. This is what you need to do. Don't buy here also, because market can trick you out of the position. This is what you need to do right now on the Matic chart, ADA chart, ETH 4-hour and 1-day chart, BTC 4-hour and 1-day chart right here on the short term and on the long term. What do you think about the market on Bitcoin? Do you think this market is going to from here move a little bit to the upside before continuation downward, or you think the market is still going to move a little bit downward before market will come back to the downside? Comment below in the comment section of this video. If you are new to this channel, please like the video, help subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. If you want to learn how to do simple technical analysis for profitable trading, check the description of this video. You see contact, reach out to me for mentorship. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.